Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, I'm Rachel, and I'm so excited to have you join us today. In today's video, we're going to dive into a topic that's crucial for every woman to understand: the menstrual cycle. It's a natural process that happens in our bodies and plays a significant role in our reproductive health. So, let's get started. All right, ladies, let's talk about the menstrual cycle. You know, that time of the month when things can get a little unpredictable. But don't worry, understanding the different phases of the menstrual cycle can really help you take control of your health and well-being. So let's break it down and make it easy to understand. First things first, the menstrual cycle is all about preparing your body for pregnancy. It involves a series of changes in the female reproductive system and is regulated by hormones. Typically, it lasts around 28 days, but hey, variations are common. No two bodies are the same, right? Now let's get into the nitty-gritty details of each phase. We'll go step by step so you can follow along easily. So, phase 1 is called menstruation. Yep, it's the start of your cycle, also known as your period. During this phase, your uterus sheds its lining because, well, there was no pregnancy in the previous cycle. On average, periods last about 3 to 5 days, but hey, everyone's different. Moving on to phase 2, we have the follicular phase. Think of it as a fresh start for your ovaries. During this phase, hormone levels rise and stimulate the growth of follicles, each containing an immature egg. One lucky egg gets to mature and take the spotlight. As the follicles grow, they release estrogen, which thickens the lining of your uterus. Picture it like a garden in spring, with your ovaries as the soil and the follicles as the seeds. They're getting ready for something big.
Before we continue, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel for more helpful videos like this.
Now let's talk about everyone's favorite phase, ovulation. It's the time when you're most fertile and ready to make a baby if that's what you're aiming for. Ovulation usually happens around the middle of your cycle, between days 12 and 16. During this phase, the mature follicle bursts open, releasing the egg into the fallopian tube. It hangs out there, waiting for fertilization to happen. But if it doesn't, it disintegrates, and we move on to the next phase. Welcome to the luteal phase, ladies. This is when the ruptured follicle transforms into something called the corpus luteum. Fancy name, right? Well, this little structure produces progesterone, which helps prepare your uterus for a possible pregnancy. It's like creating a cozy nest for a potential fertilized egg. But if pregnancy doesn't happen, the corpus luteum says, okay, time to take a break, and it starts to degenerate. Progesterone levels drop, and we're back to square one. Now let's talk about something that affects most of us during our menstrual cycle: hormonal changes and menstrual symptoms. The mood swings, the cravings, the bloating, we've all been there. These symptoms happen because of those hormonal fluctuations. Estrogen and progesterone levels are doing their dance, and our bodies react in different ways. It's like our hormones are throwing a party, and we're just trying to navigate the guest list without losing our cool. But hey, it's all part of the ride. All right, ladies, let's address some common questions you might have. We base these questions on questions we were asked when we published this article on our website at healthywomenchannel.com. How long does the menstrual cycle typically last? Well, the average is around 28 days, but remember, it can vary from person to person. Some have shorter cycles, some have longer ones. Our bodies like to keep us on our toes. Another question: can menstrual cycles vary in length from month to month? Absolutely. Stress, illness, lifestyle changes, these factors can all influence the regularity of our cycles. So don't be surprised if one month is a little different from the next. It's all part of the natural flow. Well, there you have it, ladies. A comprehensive guide to understanding the phases of the menstrual cycle. I hope this video has helped shed some light on this important aspect of womanhood. Remember, knowledge is power, and by understanding our bodies, we can take control of our health and well-being. If you have any more questions or topics you'd like me to cover in future videos, please leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.